I thought of cooking something quick and healthy kaninang dinner. So, ito ang niluto ko, pechay with tofu. It's another budget meal for the whole family. Napakadaling lutuin. Actually, sinute ko na yan kanina with lots of garlic. Ayan, tinimplahan ko na rin siya ng ground black pepper at oyster sauce. Pero hindi na ako naglagay ng salt kasi it's better to limit our intake of salt. Or kung kailangan talaga ng salt, siguro konti lang, just a sprinkle of salt. Pero ito, hindi na kailangan lagyan ng salt kasi yung oyster sauce will give the flavor to the vegetable. So, ayan, hinahalo ko na siyang mabuti at ilalagay ko na rin yung tofu na niluto ko kanina. Ayan, ini-incorporate ko yung tofu with the vegetable. Wanna make sure that I mix it really well para yung lasa din ng oyster sauce is talagang mix na mix dun sa vegetable and tofu. So I'm sure magugustuhan din to ng mga bata. And it's very healthy too. So this is it. Dinner for tonight. Pechay with tofu.